Hi there, I'm Blade. In the end of 2016 I recorded a video about a resonantly coupled alpha-type 3-piston Stirling heat pump. Do you remember that short video? You can visit there via the link in the upper right corner. I collected a big amount of PDF from the internet to learn about hot air engines and heat pumps, thermoacoustics, etc. But I've been got a lot of questions in the past few years. In this video today I will show you how I modified an electromagnetic air pump, the main part of this experiment.